Today's question is very similar to the one in the previous video, to compute the integral e to the power of z squared over z minus 2 dz. But this time the contour C is different. Now the point 2, 0 is outside. However, this is actually very easy. We have learned this theorem. If a function f is analytic at all points interior to and on a simple contour which is closed, C, then we can say the integral fz dz on the contour C is 0. Now let's take a look at our equation. The fz function is e to the power of z squared over z minus 2, and we know it is analytic on and inside the given contour C, because that only point 2, 0 is outside the contour. Therefore, the function is analytic on and inside the contour C. So, based on the theorem, I think you already know the answer, which is just 0.